Breaking news, there has been a major volcanic eruption in Ethiopia, specifically in the Afar region. This is quite surprising because Africa doesn't usually have volcanic eruptions, and when we do, they usually happen in the Congo. Although we do have the African superplum rising under the eastern part of the continent, forming the East African Rift Valley. And this is not really surprising because the pressure has been building up here for decades. We have seen a lot of activity a little further south, near Dauphin and Fontal volcanoes. In the last few months, about 6 months ago, 12 months ago, there has been a major intrusion of the magma vein. We have had steam explosions, large earthquakes, up to magnitude 6, which suggests that the overall activity is increasing, although it may be mostly below the surface. Now we can articulate that, and this is the first volcanic eruption that has occurred from this volcano, Hayli Gubbi, in over 10,000 years. It's the first volcanic eruption in recorded history. As far as we know, here, a giant column of ash rises from the ground like a mysterious signal from deep within the earth. About 5 million people live around a chain of volcanoes along the East African Rift Valley. And if the activity continues to escalate, the situation could become alarming, however, on a geological timescale. Most volcanoes here contain low viscosity magma, so violent explosions are rare. Today's phenomenon reflects that kind of gentle eruption, but it is enough to keep scientists watching closely. From a satellite perspective, the picture becomes clearer. The ash cloud has been quietly drifting across Yemen skies for the past 12 hours, rising as high as 3,000 meters, and possibly even higher than initial estimates. What makes researchers particularly curious is that this is the first recorded eruption in 10,000 years. This long geological lull raises an intriguing question. Is this simply a natural fluke, or is it a sign of a new cycle of activity emerging beneath the Earth's crust? From satellite imagery on Google Earth, we can clearly see the Hayli Gubbi volcano, just one of the countless craters scattered across this highly active geological range. When zoomed in, a series of volcanoes